Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these crocheted handcuffs. We're going to start off by making a chain link. We're going to make 2 of these. To start, chain 15. And join with a slip stitch to the first chain. Now work 27 single crochets around the chain. Join with a slip stitch and finish off, leaving a long tail for sewing. Make a second one the same way. Next we'll make the joining chain link. Chain 15. Then before joining with a slip stitch, add your chain links you made before onto the chain. Then join with a slip stitch. And make 27 single crochets around the new chain. Join with a slip stitch, finish off, and sew in the tail. This is what your chain links should be looking like. Now we'll work on the cuffs, chain 31. Single crochet all the way across. For row 2, chain 2 and turn. Then double crochet all the way across. For row 3, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet all the way across. For row 4, chain 1 and turn. Single crochet across and finish off. You can then add a button on one of the ends to make it adjustable, or you can sew the ends together. Make a second cuff the same way. Lastly, sew your chain links to your cuffs and you'll be finished. And there's your lightweight handcuffs for your Halloween costume. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!